Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this baked pasta, like pasta in the oven. It's a big pasta and I use spinach and cream cheese that is called ricotta here in Italy to make this cheese. I believe if you live in Italy or in other country you can get this cheese. If you go to the big supermarket, just ask for ricotta. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients and this description, so check it out. Okay, so here are the ingredients. This kind of pasta or anything similar, like any pasta similar to this: extra virgin of olive oil, onion, garlic, basil leaf, black pepper, some parmesan, tomato, salt, the cheese, and the spinach. I did not show spinach here, but I'm going to be showing the spinach. Okay, so those are the ingredients, guys. Check the description box. Okay, so first of all you need to put water over the heat for the pasta. Okay, so while the water is heating up, I'm going to start preparing the sauce. So I added extra virgin of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons or thereabouts. So now I'm going to just let them to heat up a little bit. Then I'm going to add my chopped onion and garlic. Saute the onion and garlic for a couple of minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, then we'll proceed. So here I'm done with the onion. As you can see, the onion have changed color. Now I'm adding my tomatoes inside the onniongarlic and oil, and I'm going to be adding black pepper, the basil leaf. As you can see, I added a little bit water into the same bottle to make sure that I get the tomatoes out. So I'm adding salt. I'm going to add my black pepper. Then I'm going to add the basil leaf. You can use dry one if you can't get the fresh one. Okay, so after adding them, I'm going to quickly stir everything together and allow the sauce to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium low heat. So while the sauce is cooking and the pasta water is ready, as you can see the water is boiling, I'm going to add some salt into the water now. Then go ahead to add my pasta. So I'm going to add the pasta, then stir everything together and allow the pasta to cook over the heat for 10 minutes. Remember, we're cooking this pasta in the oven. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on now and I'm going to proceed for spinach. Like, get your spinach. You can use normal spinach or baby spinach. Add them, just roughly chop them and add them into a boiling water over the heat or into a very hot water. Allow them to stay a minute into the water, then take the spinach out of the water. Okay, so moving over to the sauce, our filling, I added the ricotta cheese into my bowl, as you can see there. So now after adding it, I'm going to go ahead to add the spinach into the cheese, then followed up by sauce. So I'm going to spoon, like, what you need to do is to make sure that the cheese is like take enough tomato sauce, because that is the filling of the pasta. So when you are done doing that, just add a couple of cooking spoon into it. Okay, go ahead and stir everything together. Make sure that they are well coated with tomatoes. Okay, so on my casserole, I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to add another sauce into my casserole, just like what you're seeing here now. Then I'm going to start filling in the pasta, like the pasta with the cheese, cheese, spinach with the sauce. So when I spoon them, I'm going to add them into my casserole. Just watch what I'm doing here. Okay, just go ahead and fill the pasta with the cheese, spinach. fill them all up. Be generous, okay? Because the more filling you get into that pasta, the better the pasta come out. This is very delicious, guys. So I'm going to go ahead now to fill in my pasta with the ricotta and spinach sauce. Then we'll move to the next one. So here I'm done filling the pasta with the cream cheese filling. So now I'm going to coat them back, like use the remaining sauce to coat the pasta and the cream cheese. Just make sure that the tomato sauce go around the pasta, okay? So when I'm done doing that, like adding the tomatoes on top of the pasta, I'm going to go in with my cheese, which is my Parmesan cheese. Just be a little bit generous with this, with the cheese, okay? Now I'm going to send this to my oven and allow them to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. And here is the result, guys. Believe me, this pasta is so delicious. If you're a cheese lover, you need to try this recipe. You are going to love it, I tell you. It was so delicious. In fact, I had to make another casserole the same week. Yes, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, let me know what you think at the description after trying the pasta. Yes, thank you all guys for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, for sharing this video, and I will see you all in my next one. God bless you. Bye.